The photography world is currently standing on the edge of a massive shift, and the name on everyone's lips is the Nikon Z8 II. For decades, Nikon has been the backbone of professional imaging, but with the Z8 II, they aren't just building a camera, they are constructing a legend. If you've been feeling like your current gear is holding back your vision, or if you've been watching the rapid advancement of AI and wondering when it would finally land in a professional body, your wait is over. This is the machine that aims to bridge the gap between the legendary durability of the D850 and the futuristic power of the Z9, all while fitting into a form factor that won't break your back. We are diving into why the Z8 II is set to become the most important camera released in the last decade. When the original Z8 arrived, it was called the Baby Z9. It was a triumph. But the industry moves at the speed of light. Today, a camera isn't just about megapixels. It's about throughput, intelligence, and the ability to see things the human eye simply misses. The Nikon Z8 II is rumored to be the first camera to fully embrace the XP8 processing engine, a chip so powerful it can handle more calculations per second than many high-end desktop computers. This isn't just a spec, it's a revolution in how images are captured. We're talking about a stacked sensor that has been refined to eliminate rolling shutter entirely, making the mechanical shutter a relic of the past once and for all. Imagine standing on the sidelines of a high-stakes sporting event or in the middle of a dense jungle. You have one split second to capture a predator in motion or a player's game-winning catch. In the past, you prayed your autofocus would stick. With the Z8 II, the camera isn't just tracking the subject, it's predicting it. Utilizing a new deep learning architecture, the Z8 II understands the biomechanics of humans, animals, and vehicles. It knows where a bird's eye will be before the bird even turns its head. For the professional wedding photographer, this means never missing a tear-filled eye during a vow. For the wildlife shooter, it means a hit rate that borders on the impossible. This is the God mode of photography. But let's talk about the resolution. The 45.7 megapixel sensor of the original was the sweet spot, but the Z8 II is expected to push boundaries with a new 60+ megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. This allows for a level of detail that makes large format printing a breeze, but more importantly, it allows for a digital crop mode that is actually usable. Imagine shooting a 200mm lens, but having enough resolution to crop into a 400mm equivalent, while still maintaining a professional-grade 20-megapixel file. It essentially turns every lens in your bag into a multifocal powerhouse. This is the versatility that pros in the USA have been begging for. The ability to go from a wide landscape to a tight portrait without ever swapping glass. And for the filmmakers, this is where the Z8 II becomes a true monster. Nikon has spent years playing catch-up in video, but with the Z8 II, they are aiming for the throat of the cinema industry. We are looking at 8K 60 frames per second internal NRAW, recording with no overheating. The thermal management in this body is a work of engineering art. They've redesigned the internal heat sinks and utilized a new magnesium alloy that acts as a giant radiator. You could be shooting a documentary in the humid heat of Florida or the dry sun of Arizona, and the Z8 II will just keep rolling. When you combine this with the 12-bit color science that